2060 Grand Cherokee, the belt and tensioner replacement. Tensioner is located right there. Right, I'm gonna replace it because it's wobbly and noisy, and I'll be replacing the hydro pulley which is located on top right there. I'll show it to you after I replace the air intake. Alright, the airbox, sorry. Let's start by disconnect this. That looks like the muffler flow sensor. Alright, it's unplugged. And let's remove this. That's a 8mm. 8mm. Alright. Let's pop these push pins out. There you go. I got it loose. Now let's remove this out. It's already loose. And there is a plastic trim tool, a plastic piece that's pop. You need to pop off from the valve cover. This here, you need to pop it off. This. There it is. The airbox is out. Now you need to do a diagram of this belt welding. So we're going to take the belt off. But before you do that, you need to remove the belt welding. Okay. So you need a 1/4 inch, no, a 3/8 drive ratchet to take this off. And I have my 3/8 drive ratchet in there. And you need to go counterclockwise and take the belt off. Alright. Let's take the belt off. I'm replacing the belt, by the way. Let's remove the tensioner now. You need 60mm. Alright, let's break the bolt free.
This one.
So I'll be using my Milwaukee ratchet to take it off. It is loose. The reason why I'm replacing this because it's noisy. This thing's not smooth at all. It's gonna have 90,000 miles on it. 90,000 miles. So I'm replacing it because it's noisy. You can hear it loud going down the road on cold start. It's very loud. The bearing is gone. The bearing's located inside of there. It is dried up. And now I'm gonna remove the hydro pulley. The hydro pulley is located right here. So it's held by 13mm. Alright, let's look it free. So here's my 13. Here is the old hydro pulley. I'm putting the new hydro pulley in. Alright. So I'm gonna cut down this for 22 foot-pounds, sorry. Pay attention. It's tight. I got the new tensioner in. Let's tie it down. Alright. And tuck it down after that. So I got the new belt in. Right here. That's the new tensioner. Tuck everything down to spec. The new hydro pulley. You guys can use the diagram here. That's the belt diagram for that Chrysler 3.6. Right? Put on the crank, the tensioner, the alternator, the water pump, the idler, and the AC compressor. Alright. We are done here. I'm about to put everything back together. I'm gonna have you guys listen to it when you start up. So I got everything back in, so I'm going to crank it, see how it goes. Should be good. Okay guys, here it is, it's all done. It's one a lot better than it was before, a lot quieter. It's all done, ready to go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.